He's a superstar in not just LA, but at the whole of Canada too.
All of Canada.
Everyone in that one do business with him. Text him on Instagram. What the fuck? Since this thing in LA, I mean, bro, this is crazy.
This is the shit we got going on here in LA.
I can't even speak.
We can't make this up, you know? Alright, bro, where to next? We're literally basically in Mexico right now.
Yep, Mexico City.
It's literally little Mexico here in LA. You know what I'm saying? We're making big moves. We're outside. It's a beautiful day. I got no complaints, okay? The world is great. Opportunities are great. LA is a beautiful city. Yep. This is gonna be my home soon. We got little dogs running around and shit. Pink shirted dogs eating shit off the ground and shit. You know what I'm saying?
That's crap.
We're living it up, okay? I'm out here in my flip-flops. Niggas be on some shit, okay? So beautiful, like just like the town. It just looks so nice. You know what I'm saying?
The sun is out, it's hot.
The sun is out, it's hot, okay? We're coming with the content. We got good people all around us.
Good people, sexy ass Mexicans.
Sexy ass Mexicans everywhere, you know what I'm saying? Like,
crazy cars, look at that car.
sheesh. Literally GTA shit right here.
Yep. We on GTA real life. This is real life. We just joined the lobby.
Yeah, bro, I've been in here. We got grannies crashing their whips and shit.
I can't even driving into cones.
Driving into cones. So yeah, I'll catch you guys later for the studio session. You already know me and Dominique gonna be bringing fire content to you, so you're not gonna want to miss that shit.
Don't forget to subscribe to my boy's YouTube.
Yeah, don't forget to subscribe to both my channels, J Rose Beats and J Rose Music. Yeah. Go subscribe right now. Follow my homie on Instagram. We got fucking Skid Row over here. We're on that Toronto shit. We don't wait for no cars, okay? You know, out here just trying to make a move. Should we walk down this way? Because we didn't go this way. Okay, you just gotta like kind of cut in front of cars.
Just cross the street like you in Saudi Arabia or something.
Yeah, bro, you gotta cross the street like you own the place, or yeah. Look how clean LA is. Okay, you got your garbage.
Look how clean the walls is. Like it's clean.
There's art everywhere. This low key looks like little Mexico though. So what?
Yeah.
Yo,
I hope you offensive like that. Pop it up.
Yo, do you?
That don't matter. I had a Canadian. I had a Canadian. And what was the other motherfucker?
He's Canadian.
I'm Canadian.
Oh, okay. I had a Canadian.
Yeah, I'm actually shooting a video for my YouTube channel. You guys wanna?
That's how we're fucking adding content. Cause if not,
tell
you're
the
just
people
recording bullshit. Come here.
Tell the people about what you got going on
so
here.
So look, we're gonna make the motherfucking shoes from Ashley to Classy. Cause them shit looking, I don't know. We're gonna wet it up like she said last night. A little bit of water.
You better be ready if you're gonna let him do that. He's gonna
1, 2 drops, man.
want money.
Go ahead and start slowing back. Like Drake said, cause you from Canada, right? Starting from the bottom, now we here. Start from the bottom, the whole fucking team here. Yeah, it's the same thing, man. You wanna start from the bottom, go ahead, hit it left, right, hit it with the right. And
so is this the main business, or you got a side business too?
Nah, this is my main business right here, man. It's
business?
the hustle right here. It's a street hustle. Street
nice.
team, LA team, man. Look, check me out.
Hey.
If y'all want to come back,
yeah, you see where we're at. Okay, we're out here in LA. What's your name?
My name is Minion Diego. Nice to meet you.
Wait, say it again.
Diego.
Diego. Okay, we're out here with Diego. Okay, he's got his shoe shining pack going.
Look at that.
You're not gonna want to miss this.
That's the because you're gonna leave your hair like my granny's titties, though. Come on, man.
Yeah.
Like you gonna wet it up again, like you said last night, right? Don't know
hey,
back
here.
and forth. Back and forth. I know you watched the Karate Kid wax on.
Yo, if you're ever in LA, you're gonna want to come to Los Angeles, Winston Street, and you're gonna want to hit up Diego. Okay, he's got the
What's good? Look, we in the studio. I may look homeless, but I'm working.
She working, okay? You already know it's J Rose. We in the studio. Juice on the way. You already know. We can't talk too much about that, but you know, Juice on the way. You know what I'm saying? We got Gina in the back.
Yes.
Hey, Yusuf's out cold. He just dropped a hit. You know, he's a lightweight, so you know we're gonna let it slide.
We're gonna let him rest, cause he has been working with me all day.
Yeah, that's true.
You know,
and it
he's been
is
with me all morning.
10 p.m.
Yeah.
We'll let it slide,
Yeah,
but you know we gonna be up till like
we up all
ass
day.
crack in the morning.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Ass crack. He normally loud last me 2 ways.
She be falling asleep. I'm like, we need to do another one.
About 4, I'm out. This man, he be still gone.
What are you saying, Gia?
I was giving Dominique an idea of what she could be writing about.
Okay,
Well, for this track, for this song.
Yes. Yes.
I don't know. I hear it like the way that I feel about my ex. It don't feel like this track. That's for sure.
No, but
if he had something that kind of was more like morbid, I could see that. You know?
Wow.
Yeah. This seems a little more like.
Talking about more?
I was hearing something like, you know, it should be good with us, and then next thing you know, we not good.
that goes with
What about this first song about your ex? This first song about your ex.
Yo.
Hey, what's up? Fucking come back.
Got you thinking for this,
Get up out of here before you feel the fire. Lay down, put your head down. I don't gotta think about it, baby, right now. I can't wait now. You can leave me hanging now. I don't wanna think about us right now. No, I don't wanna think about us right now, right now.
Just recorded it.
We got Gina in the back.
Yes, Yusuf in the back.
Yeah, Yusuf in the back on the beat. You know, this shit go fucking crazy out here.
You've been here all
We gotta
night.
let this shit play, you know what I'm saying? Like, oh fuck, I almost just dropped the camera. Niggas gotta be careful out here, you know what I'm saying? Like, alright, we're gonna play this shit for you right now.
No, I don't wanna think about us right now, right now. Forget about your fears and let your body out. But you know that I can't be tied down. When we argue, I know you're right. But I can't let you think I'm wrong. Say it's over, see you next time. I'ma change your perspective on me some.
I don't wanna think about it. Just when it starts to feel the rhythm, getting pissed about it. I'm thinking everything is good, but then we get rewrite it. Thought I was planning for a future that turned overnight. And there ain't no way you can run from me the way I love you. And there ain't no way you can only want me now. I'm thinking it's
You already know, Yusuf's about to play some heaters. We're on song number 2 right now. You already know how we do it.
Song number 2. No, song number 3.
Wait, we're on song number 3?
Yeah, because we made the demo for the second one. Remember the second one we just laid?
Yeah.
This will be 3.
No.
Yeah.
This will be 3.
Oh yeah, this will be 3.
Yeah.
He said no.
Wait, how many did I say?
2.
I'm tripping, okay. This is song number 3 right now.
Number 3, yeah.
Okay, but we just finished song number 2, so.
Yeah, we just laid the demo for it.
We just laid the demo, but you know, we're still locked in.
Yes.
You know, Gina's in the back, she's locked in.
So real.
You know,
That's it. She don't even seem to be phased.
we need her on a track.
Okay, at this point.
Can we get her on a track?
What's she doing? What she think?
You wanna hop on a track?
do what on the track?
You need, she need, yo, I need her to do a J Rose beat tag.
What I'm gonna do on the track?
Yo, Gina needs to be like, hey, J Rose, you made this shit?
Don't laugh too hard at me because I can't do a little something.
No, we ain't laughing at
I can't.
I'm laughing at what J Rose.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can do a little
I'm
something.
laughing at what J Rose told you. He wants you to say.
Yo,
J Rose, you did this shit.
yo, I need you to do a beat tag that's like, J-Rose make the hottest beats in town. Or something like that. You know?
Hilarious.
Wouldn't that shit go so hard though? Comment below in the description if you guys want to see Gina hop on a track. Is she next up or what?
I ain't even gonna lie. Tomorrow,
You're resting all day.
I'm not answering my phone. Anything.
Brain light, and it's toxic when it goes bad. And she said she love my throwbacks. Baby girl spin wild that. No, I hate to really look back. Silence in the air like how. And I miss your smile. See palm trees for miles. Got me tripping, I've been tripping for a while. Really can't describe how I'm feeling when I'm in my zone. Used to sip that cup when I'm feeling low.